Snoring is a problem we usually come across. Snoring is a common problem. Snoring can be seen in anyone. Usually, men are affected than females and the people who are usually overweight. Snoring is a tendency which worsens with the age.
Please press the subscribe button and bell icon on your YouTube app. Stay tuned with Small Big Things for healthy living tips.
If you are a habitual snorer, it not only disrupts the sleeping pattern of your bed partner, but it hampers the sleep quality of your own. So come, let's see what causes snoring. Snoring occurs when airflow through mouth and nose gets physically obstructed, and the causes of this obstruction is multiple. There may be a combination of the causes. You can know your problem with the following tips. If your snoring is open mouth snoring, the problem is related to your throat. If you have closed mouth snoring, the problem is most related to your tongue. If you have snoring when lying your back, then you have to change your sleeping postures, and lifestyle changes are most important. Snoring in all positions is a serious problem which you need to give critical attention to your problem. Now we'll see the treatment which you can do at your level. The most important is you can do throat muscle exercises for 5-6 times daily. First one is you can repeat the vowels A, E, I, O, U loudly. Open your mouth, move your jaw to the left, wait for 30 seconds, and again move to the right side, wait for 30 seconds, and come back to normal, like this. You can improve your sleeping positions. Some people in lying down position on their back have a snoring problem. They can use the pillows made specially for snorers, or they can change their habit of lying on the back and use lateral positions for sleeping.